Hi, it's Miss Hakeback, and we are learning all about patterns today. Patterns are everywhere. If you take your eye spies and you look around, you might be able to see a pattern right here, right now. Today, we're going to talk about A-B patterns. That just means there are two things, A and a B thing, but it doesn't have to be the letter A. And it doesn't have to be the letter B. It just means we chose two things to do a pattern with. So, just like Milo chose red block, blue block, red block, blue block. You see how there was two things, red blocks and blue blocks, and he put one and then the other and then the other and then the other. So you're going to get to play with some loose parts today and create A-B patterns. A-B means just using two things. Look at all the fun things Miss Hake has here. Wow. Okay. So if we need two things in my bead bucket, there seems to be a lot. Do we need all of these beads? Nope. We need two different colors, so let's pick out some orange. Why not? What goes well with orange, you think? Blue? Okay. Let's pick out some orange and blue. So now we have two things to work with. Orange and blue. We're going to put the beads aside for now and the other things aside. So help me make an A-B pattern. One blue, one orange. That's right. One blue, one orange. Good job. One blue, one orange, one blue, one orange, one blue, one orange, one blue. Look at that. We made it. And it just so happens that I have an orange left. Could it fit there? Yep. Blue, orange, blue, orange, blue, orange, blue, orange, blue, orange, blue, orange, and it could go on and on and on forever. Good job. Now I have some gems. I have green gems. They're kind of like polished glass. So I'm wondering if I could make an A-B pattern with these. Green gem, blue gem, green gem, blue gem, green gem, blue gem. Look at that. I made it. And it could go on and on and on. What would come after this? Blue gem? What would I need? Did you say green gem? Smarty pants. All right. Now I have two things, but they're not colors. Is that okay? Yep. Watch this. One dice, one crayon. Oh, if the crayon would stay, that would be amazing. What would I have to put next to the crayon? A dice or a crayon? That's right. One dice, one crayon. One dice, one crayon. One dice, one crayon. You're right. All right, so today we're going to spend some time creating A-B patterns with stuff that you have around you, at your center, at your desk, or at your home. Have fun. See if you can create 3 different lines of A-B patterns with 3 different sets of 2 different things. Have fun. See you soon.